The issue of rape, domestic violence, sexual assault, which happens within the African American community, is an issue that we need to bring out of the closet. We have to raise the issues. We have to address it in our own communities. It has to be something that comes from within our own struggles.
When I met the boy that was to be my rapist, I was 12. And I was innocent, and I was a virgin, and I knew very little about sex.
When we got to the dorm room, he said, "Can I come in?" Well, at first I hesitated, but then I thought, oh, I'm sure it would be all right. I mean, he was one of our heroes.
Oh God, what is he gonna do with this knife? Is he gonna stab me? Is he gonna stab my son? Is he gonna insert this knife in my vagina, or what?
I was crying, and I had been struggling with him. And he was just yelling in my face, calling me all these names.
There was a part of me that said, no. He's not going to take that from you. He is not going to make you respond to something you don't want.